In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a WhatsApp chat as unread on WhatsApp web or desktop. This is a simple, time-saving trick that helps you manage conversations you want to revisit later. Think of it like pinning a mental note to a thread. Important context before we start. Marking a chat as unread only changes how the chat appears to you. It doesn't remove a read receipt you've already sent, and it doesn't hide your activity from the other person. It's purely an organizational tool in your own chat list. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your computer. You can use WhatsApp Web in your browser or the WhatsApp desktop app. The shortcut works the same way in both. Make sure the window is active. If you're using the web version and you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to pair your phone by scanning a QR code. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're looking at your chats, you're ready. Next, select the conversation you want to mark as unread. Click it in the left sidebar so it's highlighted. This works with individual and group chats alike. Selecting the chat ensures the keyboard shortcut knows exactly which thread you're targeting. Now apply the shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and U at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and U. Press them together in one smooth motion. If you press the keys and nothing changes, make sure the WhatsApp window is focused, click the chat once more, and try again. Some keyboards label the Command key with a symbol, but it's the same key you use for standard shortcuts like copy and paste on a Mac. You'll see the result instantly. The chat will be marked as unread, typically with a bolded chat name and a small indicator dot next to it. That dot serves as your visual reminder to come back when you have time. You're not deleting messages, you're not muting notifications, and you're not altering what the other person sees. This is just for keeping your own inbox tidy. A few helpful tips as you use this. If you're triaging lots of messages, you can move down the list, click each chat that needs attention, and press the shortcut to create a quick follow-up list. When you open a chat that's marked unread, WhatsApp will automatically clear the unread flag. If you rely on keyboard navigation, the same shortcut applies once the chat is selected. And that's it. Open WhatsApp Web or desktop, click the chat you want to mark, and use the shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus U on Windows or Command plus Shift plus U on Mac. Simple, fast, and perfect for staying on top of your messages.